Welcome to Real English Podcast. Please take a quick second right now to like, subscribe, and share with your friends for the Real English Podcast. It may sound fast right now, and that's completely fine. This is natural American speech. We'll go over it again later. For now, just relax. So today, we're going to learn a super common, really helpful American phrase, roll over. You know, it looks like just two simple words, but native speakers use it all the time in so many everyday situations. Let's dive in and see how we use it. Okay, let's start with the most basic, literal meaning. Roll over simply means turning your body from side to side. We almost always use this when we're talking about lying down on a bed or when we're sleeping. Like, if you're sleeping on your back and you turn over to sleep on your side, well, you roll over. Let's practice saying this one together, nice and slow. I really want you to speak out loud with me here. Ready? Repeat after me. I rolled over and went back to sleep. Great job. You sound very natural. Now let's look at our second meaning. And this one, it's incredibly useful for everyday life. Imagine your phone plan gives you 10 gigabytes of data a month, but you only use 8. So what happens to those 2 extra gigabytes? Well, if your phone company lets you save that extra data to use the next month, that data rolls over. It just means that unused amount carries forward into the future. Now, you might be wondering, why is this important to learn? Just look at this quick comparison. If you translate directly from a formal textbook, you might say a kind of clunky phrase like, extend the data usage period. But native speakers absolutely love phrasal verbs. They sound so much more casual, friendly, and natural. A native speaker will just simply say, the data rolls over. So, let's practice speaking this really helpful daily expression. Make sure to pronounce every single sound clearly. Repeat after me. My unused data rolls over. So, let's practice speaking this really helpful daily expression. Make sure to pronounce every single sound clearly. Repeat after me. My unused data rolls over. Okay, moving right along to our third meaning. This one is used a lot in financial English, banking, and business. Sometimes, when a loan or a contract comes to an end, you don't pay it off completely right away. Instead, you agree to extend it or renew it for more time. When you do that, you roll over the loan or the contract. This is a fantastic sentence to know if you work in an office or do any banking in English. Let's try it together. Repeat after me. We decided to roll over the contract. Excellent. You're doing so great today. Now for a really fun cultural meaning. Almost every American kid grows up knowing this exact phrase because of their pets. Roll over is the classic command you use to teach a dog a trick. You ask the dog to lie down, and then you tell it to literally flip its body in a full circle right on the ground. When we talk to dogs, we usually use a very happy, energetic tone of voice, right? Let's practice saying it just like an American would to their pet. Repeat after me. Good boy. Roll over. Awesome! I absolutely love the energy. You know, you've learned so much already. Let's jump into our practice conversation section using rollover. We're going to read a short, everyday role-play conversation to see how these phrases actually connect in real life. I'm going to read this nice and slow so you can really hear how the words flow together naturally. Listen closely. Person A says, "Do you need a bigger phone plan?" And person B naturally answers, "No, my unused data rolls over." Notice how simple and clean that sounds? That is real, natural English. Let's do a gentle, friendly review of what we learned today. We took one small phrasal verb, roll over, and learned 4 very different practical ways to use it. Number 1, turning your body in bed. Number 2, carrying over unused phone data. Number 3, extending business loans or contracts. And number 4, a fun dog trick. You can definitely see why native speakers use this phrase all the time. You did a really fantastic job today. Keep practicing your real English and you're going to sound more natural every single day. Before you go, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share the Real English Podcast with your friends. And if you want to review today's lesson, I uploaded a free PDF summary in the description and in the comments. Feel free to download it and study at your own pace.